I'm sure you can file your income tax returns on your own. I'm here to help you. It's not a rocket science. For better command over the entire filing experience, I have bifurcated it into 5 simple steps, and in this video we'll be discussing those steps into details.
Step 1. Download JSON utility. This is the software. Till last year, we used to download ITR XML utility for ITR 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, but for ITR 1 and 4 online filing facility directly from income tax portal was available. But this year guys, you have to download the software for ITR 1 and 4. Second step, download prefill JSON utility. Again, this is a complete new thing and really cool. I was so impressed when I first time saw this. As the name suggests, some of the data from 26AS form 16 like amount of salary, interest, other income will be available to you for reference purpose. Step 3. Extract JSON utility which we have downloaded in step 1. Import prefill JSON file. Step 2. Fill all the particulars along with the option of new versus old tax regime. Guys, this is the hot topic. Step 4. Generate JSON file comprising all the particulars and file it to income tax portal. Here your filing will be done. Step 5 is don't forget to e-verify ITR and pre-validate your bank account. Let's jump into it. At the income tax portal, they are honoring you, so accept the honor and move forward. Under the download tab, you will find return preparation software. Just click on this. You will reach to this page. Download the software. After this, our second step, log into income tax portal. Under the my account tab, you will find the JSON file, prefill JSON file. You need to download this thing also. Step 3, just run the software. Hit continue. File return. Please read all the things which are written carefully. Hit continue. Put your PAN assessment year and hit proceed. Now you have to import the JSON file which you have downloaded in step 2 into this software. It is showing you the name, PAN number, assessment year and the import date. Hit file return to proceed further. Select your status if you are individual or HUF or any other and hit continue. Select the IDR form. 4 is applicable for business person and 1 is for salaried employees or person having other sources income or house property income, so they will go for ITR 1. Let's get started. Here it is asking you, why do you want to file income tax return? In most of the cases we file because our total income exceeds the basic exemption limit which is 2,50,000. So if this is your case, then select first option, otherwise select other option. Hit continue. This is overlay of the return. They have bifurcated the entire return into 5 steps. First is personal information. So let's start with this. Here most of the information will be pre-filled. As you can see, filing section, select 139(1) if you are filing before the due date. Here is the most innocent thing. Here is the option to opt between old and new tax regime. Old tax regime is the provision which we used last year to file returns. In new tax regime, most of the allowances and deductions are not available. See my blog to decide which option will be beneficial to you. Select the option and after this you have to put bank details. Fill bank details by hitting on add another button and hit the confirm button and come back to return summary page. After personal information, it's time to fill gross total income. You will see at the top of the screen, out of 5 steps of return preparation, we are at second step. this help feature is provided. It will help you in clarifying most of the doubts related to where to fill any particular income or exempt income related things. You need to hit edit button to fill salary details. Here this I mark will tell you most of the things. As we have downloaded pre-fill JSON file, so form 16 details are already available for your reference purpose. Just click on this I button and you will get the information. So before putting any particular amount, just cross check this button too. Once you are done with filling salary, come to house property. If you have any rental income or any home loan on which you are paying interest, then claim that deduction from this section. After this, house income from other sources. If you have any interest income and commission, brokerage, any kind of that income, then fill information over here. For example purpose, I have taken a salary of rupees 8 lakhs. So this is my total income, my gross total income. You have to fill exempt income also, just like agriculture income up to rupees 5,000. Some policy get matured, that is also an income which is exempt. So you need to fill all those particulars over here. Hit the confirm button and come back to return summary page. Now it's time to fill deductions. Come to this page. You must be looking for column for ATC deduction to fill values of life insurance policy, home loan principal payment, etc, etc. Guys, I was also confused at this step. So you need to hit show all deduction button. All the section will be available over here. Just click the section and fill the amount one by one and return to return summary page. Here you will see personal information, gross total income and total deduction has been marked as confirmed, and utility is computing your tax liability. In my case, my tax liability is 46,869. Arrow 1 is showing you. So you need to go to tax paid button and fill all the TDS, TCS, advanced tax and self-assessment tax if you have already paid those details here. Go to this page and fill all the particulars. Again, I button is available to help you. Come to return summary page. All the particulars have been marked as confirmed and you can show the thumbs up is showing to you. Now hit proceed. On the next page, it is showing you if you have any refund, then amount will be here. Just have a look of all the particulars and preview return. Provide your name will be auto-filled. Provide name of father. Select this capacity self if you're filing for yourself or any of your family member. On the next page, we are reaching towards our goal. The entire return form is available to you. Again, just make sure there is no mistake. Now validate your return. If you get any error, just resolve all the errors. Once you have done validation successful, then JSON file will be available to you. This is a file which you will upload to income tax portal and your return filing will be done. In my case or income tax has not yet started uploading the return, so I am not able to show you further steps. You are almost done, guys. Just save this file and log into income tax portal. There at the dashboard you will get the option to file income tax return. Hit on that button, go to the link, fill assessment year, etc, and upload this JSON file. over there and your return filing will be done. A huge round of applause to all of you that you have successfully filed your income tax return. After filing the return, e-verification and pre-validation of your bank account is mandatory. So don't forget to follow those steps. I hope this video will be helpful to you. For any query or any question, just message me. I will try to resolve all of your queries. Thank you so much.